So let's check our progress here at the Twisted Juniper residence. Alive solar working away, getting the solar panels on the roof. Walking here, okay? We have our Greek villa walls, really nice color. Contrasts a little bit with the ceiling white. Lights are going in. We already have some switches. Those are on dimmers. Ricky here working on the stove vent. So it's not a hood vent, it's an under kitchen countertop stove vent. Venting goes under the slab, exits out the building. Ignacio helping get up the lights. Pretty basic, easy to do. I had the painter put up the highlights. Easier to do with his ladder. Tile shower pan installed, looking real good. Niche installed as well. Going to confirm that everything is aligned. We want all the tile to match perfectly. Let's walk out here. Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Solar guys, alive solar, making headway. Putting in their aluminum channel. Extrudes out past and they cut that later and then put their panels in place. Roofer's coming to finish up a few things on the roof, and then tomorrow Alive Solar is going to put those panels in place. Everything will be on a solar system. A few panels on the roof, a few panels here. Let's walk this way. Beam is going to be stained starting tomorrow probably. And painter is just taking off all the tape. Doing an excellent job. We have our treads ordered from ViewRail, 2-inch thick treads. Wait till you see how that's gonna look on these stairs. It's a little bit of a unique look, but you'll see the end grain of each of the treads, 2-inch thick. So that should look pretty nice. I think it'll give a real nice wood look on the side, as well as on these open treads. Really nice to see some lights up in here. Everything's looking good.